Hi everyone, in this video, I will talk about SimPro tutorial, how to streamline your field service and project management. First, what is SimPro? SimPro is comprehensive field service management and project management software designed for service, maintenance, and project-based businesses. It helps you handle job scheduling, coding, invoicing, dispatching, and project tracking all in one place. Ideal for industries like electrical, plumbing, HVAC, security, construction, and more. Now on setting up SimPro, log in to your SimPro cloud account or get a demo if you want to try it out first. Navigate through the dashboard, which gives you an overview of active jobs, codes, tasks, and KPIs. Now, set up company info. Add your business details, logos, terms, and tax settings under System Setup. Step 3. Add users and roles. Set up the field technicians, project managers, and office admins. Assign correct permissions based on roles. Now, how to manage field service jobs. Step 1. Create a new job. Go to Jobs, then create new job. Enter customer info and site location and job type. Now, schedule technicians. Use the dispatch board. Drag and drop calendar view. Assign technicians based on availability, skill set, and location. Some tip is use colors or tags to quickly categorize job types. Now on coding and estimating, create a new code under the code section. Add labor rates, materials from your catalog, optional extras. Then send the code directly via email from SimPro. Once accepted, convert the code into a job with one click. Managing projects in SimPro. For large jobs, longer than a few days or weeks, use project jobs instead of service jobs. Track stages and phases, budgeted versus actual costs, labor hours, and subcontractor work. Manage multiple teams across different job sites. Some pro tip is break big projects into stages like rough in, finish, and testing to monitor progress more easily. Now, mobile app for field technicians. Technicians use the SimPro mobile app. Features include view assigned jobs, clock in and out, update job status, add job notes, photos, signatures, create and edit codes from the field. Offline mode is available. Perfect for remote areas with no signal. Now, for the invoicing and payments. Create invoices directly from completed jobs or project stages. Types of invoices: first is deposit invoice, then progress claim and final invoice. Integrate with accounting software like Xero, QuickBooks, or MYOB to sync financial data. Now, on reporting and business insights, track business performance with built-in reports. Job profitability, technician productivity, code conversion rates, project status reports. Build custom reports to match your KPIs. Now for the integration, SimPro integrates with tools like Xero, QuickBooks for accounting, Salesforce for CRM, Google Maps for technician dispatch, and Zapier to connect with 1,000 plus apps. Expand functionality easily based on your business needs. And that's basically it.